Sunlight illuminates Cosmo, Terra, and Orbit as they gather around their homemade volcano. Anticipation sparks in their eyes, ready to unleash the eruption. Neatly arranged tools promise a thrilling scientific spectacle. The backyard transforms into a stage for discovery. Terra, full of enthusiasm, gestures towards a detailed volcano model, her eyes bright with scientific curiosity. "Today we're going to make our own eruption!" Terra exclaims, her voice bubbling with excitement. She continues, a playful glint in her eyes. "It's like a real volcano, but much safer." Terra's passion ignites the room as she prepares for a thrilling demonstration. In the lab, Cosmo meticulously pours baking soda into the volcano's crater. Beside him, Orbit adds colored vinegar with equal care and anticipation. Their actions are a dance of precision, fueled by youthful excitement. Awaiting the eruption, their eyes gleam with scientific curiosity. The volcano erupts with a fizz, not a bang. Colorful lava spills down its crafted slopes. A cascade of vibrant colors against a miniature landscape. "Wow!" the kids exclaim at the sight. Cosmo stares, eyes wide with wonder, at the erupting display before him. "Wow! It's like a real volcano!" he exclaims, utterly captivated. His mind ignites with vivid images of a colossal volcanic eruption. Fiery explosions burst forth in his imagination, a symphony of destruction. Billowing smoke fills the sky, a dramatic backdrop to Cosmo's fantasy. A shift into Cosmo's vibrant imagination, where reality bends to the will of fantasy. An imaginary volcano rises, a fiery giant ready to unleash its molten fury upon the world. The volcano erupts with earth-shattering force, a symphony of fire and destruction. Lava flows cascade down the mountain, rivers of fire carving paths through the landscape. Visual effects intensify the eruption, turning Cosmo's vision into a breathtaking spectacle. In the sun-drenched backyard, Terra presents her bubbling lava experiment, sunlight dancing on its surface. Terra gestures, explaining the science behind the spectacle. The lava is made of baking soda and vinegar. When they mix, they create carbon dioxide, she continues, her eyes gleaming with scientific excitement, which pushes everything out. Terra concludes, watching her miniature volcano erupt with childlike wonder. Orbit, bursting with playful energy, leaps onto the flowing lava. I lose my footing, a chaotic dance of slips and slides begins. A series of near falls punctuates the scene, each one a precarious moment. Laughter erupts, echoing through the space, a soundtrack to the playful chaos. Orbit struggles against the volcano's slope, arms flailing wildly as he fights for balance on the treacherous terrain. He teeters for a heart-stopping moment, a desperate battle against gravity playing out in his wide eyes. Losing the fight, Orbit slides down the volcano's side, a cascade of lava erupting around him with each frantic movement. Cosmo and Terra's laughter rings out, a mix of amusement and relief echoing across the volcanic landscape. Cosmo, eyes gleaming with purpose, seizes crayons and paper, a young artist ready to conquer the blank canvas. With unwavering resolve, he announces his ambitious vision, a fusion of imagination and keen observation. "I'm going to make a lava map," Cosmo declares, embarking on a creative journey to chart fiery landscapes. Crayons poised, Cosmo begins to sketch, transforming simple lines into rivers of molten color and explosive terrain. Each stroke brings the lava map to life, a vibrant testament to Cosmo's boundless creativity and adventurous spirit. The room transforms into Cosmo's own world, where imagination and determination fuel the creation of a fiery masterpiece. Cosmo, brow furrowed in concentration, races to capture the molten lava flow with frantic strokes of color. A whirlwind of crayons blurs in his hands, each color a desperate attempt to tame the eruption's chaotic energy. Crimson bleeds into fiery orange as Cosmo struggles to keep up with the relentless advance of the crayon lava. The paper transforms into a vibrant battlefield, a chaotic tapestry of hues mirroring the eruption's raw power. Each stroke is a testament to Cosmo's determination, a colorful defiance against the overwhelming force of nature. Reality melts away, replaced by the vivid landscape of children's imagination. Bubbling lava teems with tiny, comical creatures, born of fiery fantasy. They wiggle and jiggle, their glee infectious, their movements absurdly charming. Each jerky step amplifies the delight, a symphony of silliness unfolds. A world where imagination reigns and laughter bubbles as freely as the lava. In a volcanic landscape, lava creatures dance, their molten forms glowing against the dark expanse. They playfully shove each other, sending bursts of sparks flying into the night. One creature juggles rocks, which melt instantly in its fiery hands. Another mimics a bird, flapping lava arms with comical, futile energy. The lava field comes alive with the joyous, if bizarre, antics of its inhabitants. Terra kneels in the backyard, her fingers tracing the rough texture of the earth. She picks up a jagged rock, its edges glinting in the sunlight. Holding it up, she examines it, her brow furrowed in concentration. Real lava cools down and turns into rock, she explains, a spark of discovery in her eyes. Sometimes you can find minerals inside, Terra exclaims, her voice filled with childlike wonder. The kids fan out across the vast, cooled lava field, their eyes diligently scanning the stark, volcanic ground. They crouch low, fingers tracing the rough textures of the rocks, each a potential treasure trove of minerals. A sudden burst of excitement as one child discovers a vibrant streak of color embedded in the dark stone. Another child points eagerly, showcasing a rock with a unique crystalline structure glittering in the sunlight. Voices rise in a chorus of shared discovery, each find fueling their mineral hunt across the alien landscape. The cooled lava field transforms into a playground of geological wonders, sparking joy and curiosity. Dust swirls around Orbit as he kneels, meticulously sifting through the arid earth at the fake mineral site. His hand stills, his eyes widening in feigned astonishment, a performance for an unseen audience. With exaggerated excitement, Orbit holds up his discovery, a glint of manufactured delight in his eyes. "Look, I found a diamond!" Orbit exclaims, his voice echoing slightly in the otherwise silent landscape. The diamond sparkles under the harsh sunlight, a blatant symbol of deception in the desolate scene. Cosmo examines a rock, turning it over thoughtfully, his brow furrowed in concentration. He pauses, noticing something intriguing within the stone. "This one has shiny bits in it. Are those minerals?" Cosmo asks, curious. Terra's face lights up with excitement at Cosmo's observation. "Yes!" Terra exclaims, confirming Cosmo's insightful discovery. The volcano's rage begins to wane, the molten rock's violent spray softening to a fizz. Steam rises, a stark white against the cooling black rock, signaling the end of destruction. A plume of harmless smoke drifts from the crater, a gentle sigh after the storm. The landscape, scarred yet silent, begins its slow recovery under the watchful sky. Nature's fury gives way to an eerie calm, a moment of peace amidst devastation. Smoke curls, dissipating slowly into the vast open air. The children, a small group, watch from a distance, their eyes wide with curiosity. They are fixated on the lingering traces of their experiment. The air clears, leaving behind only the memory of what was. Anticipation hangs heavy as nature takes its course, the experiment reaching its end. A collective breath is held as the final wisps fade into nothing. In the science lab, eager students gather around lab tables where beakers bubble and a model volcano steams. Terra, a young science teacher, stands before her students, her enthusiasm lighting up the room. Terra beams, her eyes sparkling with excitement as she surveys her eager students. "So, we learned about chemical reactions, volcanoes, and geology today," Terra exclaims, her passion infectious. The students look on with rapt attention, inspired by Terra's excitement for science. Inside the spaceship, Orbit lifts his hand, eyes sparkling with childlike hope. His innocent question hangs in the air. "Can we do it again?" Cosmo and Terra exchange glances, amusement dancing in their eyes. A silent, knowing conversation unfolds between the two seasoned travelers. The spaceship hums, a vessel carrying dreams across the vast expanse. In an unknown location, a tight-knit group of kids buzzes with contagious excitement, their eyes sparkling with anticipation. Ideas for their next science experiment spark like static in the air as they huddle together, a symphony of youthful voices. Each suggestion is met with wide-eyed wonder and fervent nods, building a crescendo of collaborative energy. The room vibrates with their collective enthusiasm, a palpable sense of discovery hanging heavy in the atmosphere. In this haven of youthful curiosity, the boundaries of the possible seem to dissolve before their very eyes. Sunlight warms the backyard as Liam stacks gardening tools, a picture of youthful energy and collaboration. Chloe sorts pots, her movements precise, bringing order to the scattered array. Samantha giggles, her small hands overflowing with fragrant herbs. Together, they transform the cluttered yard into a haven of neatness. The backyard blossoms under their care, a testament to youthful diligence. Bathed in sunlight, the spotless backyard is a stage for youthful triumph. Side by side, the kids stand proudly, their eyes fixed on their meticulously crafted volcano model. A silent acknowledgement passes between them, a shared look of pure, unadulterated accomplishment. The warm glow of the afternoon sun highlights their beaming faces, reflecting their scientific success. A testament to teamwork and ingenuity stands tall against the clear blue sky. The light dims, the vibrant scene slowly fading, a gentle darkness descends, erasing the playful energy. The echoes of laughter and discovery linger in the air. The screen fades to black, leaving behind memories of learning and joy.